Welcome to a world of boho-inspired Christmas trees. Discover how earthy tones, natural textures, and unique decorations can create a relaxed, festive vibe. Boho Christmas Decor thrives on earthy tones and textures. Use ornaments in beige, white, and natural brown to bring warmth and simplicity to your tree. Add a bohemian touch with macramé ornaments and hand-woven details. These textures add depth and charm to your Christmas tree. Incorporate natural elements like dried orange slices, pine cones, and eucalyptus. These simple additions enhance the boho aesthetic and bring a touch of nature indoors. Dreamcatcher-inspired ornaments are a hallmark of boho Christmas decor. Their intricate designs and delicate feathers make a unique and eye-catching statement. Swap the traditional star for a boho-inspired topper. A woven star or a bundle of feathers can perfectly crown your tree. Drape your tree with wooden bead garlands for a simple yet elegant look. Add tassels for an extra boho flair. Lighting is key in boho decor. Use warm, muted lights to create a soft glow that complements the natural textures of your tree. Celebrate the artisanal spirit of boho decor with handmade ornaments. Clay designs and painted wooden stars bring a unique, personal charm to your Christmas tree. Enhance the boho look with layered textures at the base. Use a woven basket as a tree collar and add soft fabrics for a cozy, finished touch. For a touch of elegance, mix neutral tones with metallic accents. Gold and bronze details add a subtle shimmer that complements the natural aesthetic. Even your gift wrapping can reflect the boho style. Use natural materials and add decorative touches like feathers or dried flowers for a cohesive look. Feathers and fringe details are quintessential boho elements. These additions bring a sense of movement and softness to your tree decor. Dried florals add a romantic and artistic vibe to your boho tree. Pampas grass and preserved roses are perfect for creating a unique, textured look. Fox greenery like eucalyptus and pampas grass makes it easy to achieve a boho look with minimal effort while still looking lush and natural. If space is limited, opt for a small boho tree. Keep the decorations minimal yet meaningful to maintain a cozy and stylish feel. Add a touch of whimsy with tassels and pom-poms. Choose soft colors to keep the look playful yet harmonious. Combine boho charm with a luxurious twist by adding velvet ribbons and gold accents. This blend creates a sophisticated and festive look. Extend the boho theme to the area around your tree. Woven lanterns, soft puffs, and candlelit tables create a cozy and harmonious setting. Your boho Christmas tree is a reflection of warmth, creativity, and individuality. Let it bring peace and joy to your festive celebrations.